Poly4emi tested the systemic support to the innovations in emerging industries. Our idea was to test if the clusters can play a crucial role in the development of the new industries, and we were using biopolymers as a case. What we figure out today is that clusters and similar organizations can play and should play important role in the initiation of the new value chains in the beginning of the development. It is critical to put together the companies from the different sectors, the clusters from the different sectors and different countries and regions, and to give them an opportunity to work and discover together. And this is many opportunities that we can use with the biopolymers in the bioeconomy, and I believe that Slovenia will make a big progress from this point on.
Project Poly4emi is also very important for Ministry of Education, Science and Sport. Actually, we recognized the potential of the project a few years ago, when we decided actually to be a coordinator of the project. At the end of the project, we could say that actually our hopes and our ideas at the beginning are fulfilled completely. And actually, in this respect, I would say that the main result of the project is information for all of us, that the coordination and cooperation between different ministries, between different fields is of crucial importance for the success of Slovenian Slovenian cooperation between research and business sectors. So at the end of the project, I would say that we have not solved all the problems, but we opened important discussions what to do in the future, how to do it, and actually we in a way also connect Slovenian cluster policy, Slovenian cluster environment with cluster environment in Europe, and in this respect we believe that the result of the project will go far beyond the Poly4emi project, and actually that we made quite a great job in awareness raising in this field.